So today we are going to look at very fundamental expression of algebra, very fundamental formula, which is a plus b whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. Correct? So we all know that ये तो होता ही है. Can we visualize this formula in any other way, like in the form of geometry, maybe, that we can actually see the things there? So we are going to take that approach today. So what do we know in geometry? That area of any square equals the multiplication of its sides. Correct? So एक square अगर है उसकी side length अगर x है तो the area is equal to x square. Correct? No doubt in that. So can we visualize this formula, and can I say that this is nothing, a plus b to the whole square is nothing but area of that square whose side length is equal to a plus b? Yes, definitely I can say that. So let's construct that square whose side length is equal to a plus b, and a and b are random arbitrarily variables. So let's say this is a square. I randomly take a point, let's say here, और मैंने इस लेंथ को बोल दिया a, and this length I call it as b. Now I am just doing some construction. So again this length would be a, इसको भूल जाते हैं थोड़ी देर के लिए, and this length would be b. Correct? Similarly मैं यहाँ पे इस लेंथ का इंटरसेप्ट मार्क कर लेता हूँ. So let's say this length again a, मैंने इसको नाप के मार्क कर लिया, and this is again it will be b. क्योंकि ये पूरा ही स्क्वायर था तो this side is equal to this side, and if this is a plus b, this has to be a plus b. So if I marked a, the rest of the part would be b, no doubt in that. So again this length is a and this would be b, right? So what is the area of this whole square? We know that area of this square is nothing but a plus b whole square. Also, the area of this complete square is area of sum of these four figures. Correct? These four figures, this has a length of a, this has a length of b, and are at 90 degrees. So this is a rectangle, right? So area of this rectangle would be nothing but a into b. Fine. What is this figure? This is again a rectangle with side a and b. इसका भी area a into b हो जाएगा. What is this figure? This is a square with side length b. B, B, B and B. Area is B square. What is this figure? This is a square with side length A. A. Correct? Area would be A square. What is the total area? A square plus B square, this plus this plus this plus this, which is nothing but twice AB, which is also equal to A plus b to the whole square. Proved? Simple. I think this is very basic concept that we often ignore to visualize. मालूम तो हम सबको होता है कि ये होता है, लेकिन just we don't visualize it, and if you start visualizing these things, it will make your mathematics, the computations simpler in your mind.